Buenas noches, estimado docente. En esta oportunidad voy a grabar mi diálogo sobre Food and Drink for Lunch. Los personajes son John, Bran y Dusan. John: Hi Bran, we're going to the supermarket to buy food for lunch. What do you have in your kitchen? Bran: Hi John, let me think. I have some rice, a lot of potatoes, and there are some eggs, but I don't have any meat or vegetables. John: Okay, so you need to buy meat and vegetables. Do you have any drinks? Bran: Yes, there is a bottle of wafer in the fridge, but there isn't any juice or soda. John: Thanks, Bran. Now let's ask Dusan what he have. Bran: Hey Dusan, we're planning lunch. What food do you have at home? Dusan: Hi guys, I have some tomatoes, onions, and a lot of cheese. Also, there is some chicken in the freezer. Bran: Great. Do you have any fruit? We could make a fruit salad. Dusan: Yes, there are some apples and bananas, but I don't have any oranges. Bran: Perfect. And what about drinks? Dusan: I have a lot of milk and some coffee, but I don't have any soft drinks. Bran: Says Dusan. Now let's ask John. Dusan: John, what about you? What do you have in your kitchen? John: I have some carrots, peas, and a lot of bread. There is also some butter, but I don't have any fish or pasta. Dusan: Do you have any eggs? We need eggs for the salad. John: No, I don't have any eggs, but I have a lot of olive oil and vinegar for the dressing. Dusan: Perfect. So let's make a shopping list. We need meat, vegetables, juice, and eggs. Bran: Yes, and also some oranges. For dessert, I love fruit after lunch. John: Great idea. Let's go to the supermarket now. I'm really hungry. Dusan: Me too. Let's go, guys.